Something we always say in our courses, trust the process. It's designed to guide you to breakthrough, and different people arrive in breakthroughs in different ways. Margarita's an entrepreneur. She has multiple businesses. One of her businesses is a yacht company, and now she's on the frontier of biohacking, health, wellness.
I feel like once I committed to your course, things started to change. I'm in my high season, I'm running my business, and I'm like, I'm going to dive into myself, and I empower the people around me so that they can handle things when I'm not available. It's really just helped me get clearer. And the more time I take for myself, I get clearer. I just love you so much. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful to continue to be able to be a part of this community. It's about, repetition, right? And moments, and we are constantly changing and evolving. And then once we get into our flow, it's even more important to be with you and doing this work.
Is her businesses have been evolving. So she has one business that she's now empowering people to run that so she can be here. She's growing into a new business that she's passionate about, where she's bringing health and vitality through different types of new technology and modalities to people. And I know you're a graduate of our advanced courses, Sia and Neo, so a lot of this progress has come.
Trusting in the process is so huge, because when I first met you, and I think you're right, it was like 16 years ago, I just let go of all of my, questioning, and just, it was changing me, just trusting in the process.
And boom, you have a breakthrough. So whichever way it comes for you is the perfect way for you. Trust the process and give Margarita some love. So wonderful to be with you always.